When I decided to start my YouTube journey, I went to YouTube University and typed in how to start a YouTube channel and found Erin on Demand's channel. And one of the things she said was to write a list of 100 video ideas so you will have some type of content from week to week. This is one of those video ideas that I finally got around to. I am taking these 3 different pieces and I am going to make some string decor for my living room table. I've got a square here that I painted silver. I have a round ball that I painted green, and I have an ice cube that I drilled a hole through. And guys, drilling the hole through these ice cubes was not easy at all, but I got it done. So I've had this sitting up for about a year, and I decided today, let's go ahead and complete this. Now, in case you don't know how to create a tassel, I'm going to show you today. And tie it off. Then I'm just going to cut it right in the middle. And do the same thing on the other side. Then you're just going to go in and even it. Now, next we're going to take our beads and we're going to thread them through this piece of ribbon. And you just need something small. I'm just taking a nail and push that through. And I'm just going to continue that till I get to the other end. That is how that is looking so far. This is kind of heavy, guys, so I'm glad I didn't put a lot on here. But then I'm going to take the end of this. I'm just going to tie this off. Fold the ribbon over. And one more time, and then I'm going to cut the ribbon off. And I'm going to do that on both ends. Get as close as I can. And there you go, guys. But I just wanted to make my own, because anytime you're trying to find something with acrylic or glass in it, it costs you money. So I will place this on my coffee table, but first, let's start DIY number 2. I got this beautiful mirror from a Christian sister of mine. I'm going to spray paint it silver to match my aesthetics and use it as a tray on my coffee table. I like the details of the frame, and I'm adding some legs to the bottom. This is a glimpse of how both DIYs turn out, and when I finish the floral arrangement for the table, I will reveal the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you did also. Enjoy your New Year's Eve safely. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube family for 2023. And if you haven't subscribed, then join us for 2024 for more DIYs, tablescapes, and fun home decor. Be blessed, and remember, don't let anyone steal your joy.